Alright, hey guys. So what I'm currently gonna try is I'm gonna pull the plugs out of the Elgin. I figured out it's a 1955 today. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull the plugs out and then put a nut on here and see if I could turn over the drill and find out if the water pump works before having to replace the coils on there, because those are pretty bad. The plastic just breaks off. So I'm gonna start the hose on here, and I guess in the meantime I'll try to figure out if I can find something on that. Alright, so the second I'm about to put water in it, I decided it's a better idea. Put it on the back of the stand for it. Usually the prop sits between the chair. So I figured just put a bucket in there and that would work just fine. So that's what I'm gonna do. Alright, so the nut on the pull starter, or for the crankshaft, is a fine thread, and I don't have any of that size. I have a coarse thread, but that won't thread on. I think that's in the tank. I know it won't even fire, but yeah, we're pretty cruddy in there. Clean that somehow, I'm not sure. Got it in there, so I'm gonna give it a few pulls, and I'm gonna try to get you guys aimed over here. Hopefully you kind of see what's going on, otherwise you'll just hear me talk. Wet it all. I don't think anything's coming out. Feels dry, the whole thing. Not sure with water. I'm guessing these are all pee holes all the way down here, but I'm not sure. So, I guess I'll put the plugs back in. Oh boy. Yeah, they're all new plugs in here. Guess that was the first step for no spark years ago. I'm thinking, because the boat it used to be on, the last time the boat was registered was in 1982, I believe. So I think that puts this at about 35 years. Yeah, I guess that's like 35 years or so. So that's a long time for something not running. Just for my own interest now, still dripping from somewhere. I'm gonna pop that bolt out and see what's in there. That's a good question to have. I think that's what, 7/16? Get a wrench. Pulled that screw out, or bolt rather. So let's see if we could get in there somehow. Maybe, maybe not. I can't get it to budge, so I'm just gonna put this bolt back in. Read up on it more. the bolt's not going back in. Frustrating. Alright, that's back in, so I'm just gonna let this thing drip for however long until I get back to it next. I'm gonna read up on it more, try to figure out a little bit. Let's see what's down there. I think that's the drive shaft. Yeah, that's gotta be the dry shaft. The only thing that goes down, unless it's like a water line or something, because this whole thing's the exhaust. You have to read into this more. I pulled up a couple manuals, but we were in a rush to get out of the house, so I didn't really get to take a deep look at it. So I think that's pretty much it for this video. So you could give it a thumbs up on YouTube. You could subscribe, that's always appreciated. My goal is to get to 100 fairly soon, so every subscription or every subscriber helps. And I want to thank you for watching all the videos like you guys have been doing. I appreciate it. So I guess I'll catch you next time with this 55 Elgin Outboard.